Can we log in Telegram with email? So if you are seeking for this answer, then let's go and first of all open Telegram app. Before proceeding, make sure the Telegram application has been downloaded on your device. If not yet, go ahead and open Play Store, and on the search bar you need to search for Telegram app. The application look like this, so tap on the install button and you have to wait for a few moments until this app gets downloaded and installed on your device. Once the app is installed on your device, let's tap on open button and you'll get to this page where you need to select start messaging. Before that, you can also turn the dark mode or light mode by tapping on the top right corner of the screen and select start messaging. Now let's tap on continue to allow Telegram to receive calls so that we can automatically confirm your phone number. So once you reach on this page, you have to again access or allow Telegram to make and manage phone calls. And when you reach on this first page only, you have to enter your phone number and there is no any email option here. You simply need to confirm your country code and enter your phone number, then only you will be able to log in on your Telegram. So if you really want to know that if you can log in Telegram with email or not, then the answer is absolutely no. We cannot log in Telegram with email because you have to require any phone number to log in on your Telegram, because Telegram does not have those features to log in Telegram with email. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then do subscribe our channel for more updates.